Mark. So this is your website. Looking at it, you don't have much content. Generally, you got 392 words. I was gonna say you'd probably want to have a 1,000, 1,500. However, your competition has a ton. I'll talk about that in a second. Um, these images, save image as. Let's see what it's saved as. You want to make sure this is saved as a keyword, so you'd want carpet cleaning, Belfast, or uh, whichever keyword you want to rank for. Um, then yeah, let's go check out your competition. So he has a ton of content. You might not see it because it's all hidden within all these reviews. But if you come check this out, he's got almost 4,000 words. So um, I know it's going to be a pain, but you would like to beat him in that. Google loves content. The more content you have, the better. 4,000 words is a lot of content to beat. Luckily, with all these reviews, they might not. Um, you probably have reviews too, so you could use those, add them to your website, as well as there might not be uh, keywords organically in these, but some of them will, like Carpet Pro, Belfast. So yeah, I would try to add some reviews to your website, as well as adding more content. Checking what his images are saved as. He's got carpet cleaning service. He should have Belfast there, but he doesn't. So that helps. Means that he's missing an opportunity there. But you don't have to miss it. You can get it yourself. So yeah, definitely have images saved with keywords, as well as add more content. The more you add, the better. You know, if you want, if I would, if you can, try to beat this guy with content, but you don't necessarily have to. But it would help. Carpet cleaning Belfast, I typed in here. Ads will be appear here first. Then you got the Google Map back. Then you got the organic ranking, and that's how I found this guy. Plugging guys into Ahrefs. Here's your website. There's backlinks, referring domains, and keywords. And then this shows your scores, the DR and UR score. We can come in here and see what backlinks you have. Generally, you'd want to have the high DR, UR scores. And you want to make sure they're relevant to your business. So you'd want, this one actually looks like a good link to me. You'd want, it's good. You'd want to have something that's relevant to your business. You don't want fast food linking back to you. But we can come into your competition, see what he has. He has 347 backlinks, 62 referring domains, so he doesn't have too much. That can be beat, not too, pretty fast. But we're coming here, grab the ones that we like, ones we want, check out, make sure they're ones we want to follow, or we want ones that we want for ourselves, make sure they're relevant, and go get them. You can get them with guest posts, blogs. You can get other. Then we can go get other ones. You can get the other ones with guest post, blogs, or sponsors, or news articles about your company. There's plenty of different ways to get them. But yeah, you can go out there and get them. It takes time. Some of them cost money, or it generally costs money to get them as well. Yeah, we can come check out the keywords that they rank for, as well as let's check out what keywords you rank for. You got 99 keywords you're ranking for organically. You want, carpet clean is Belfast. You are number 4 in that. So that's good. Obviously, ideally, number 1's a spot to go. But, you're ranking first page, second page, third page on most of these. Let's go see what your competitor is ranking for. He obviously has got the golden one, number 1 right there, 70 volume. It's got 7 KD. So that can be beat. 7 KD is not too hard to beat. Obviously, this 1 KD is really easy to get. Carpet cleaning, Bangor. I believe that's probably an area you service. I'm not positive, but I would imagine. But yeah, we can come down here, see all these ones that we want. Go after the ones that we really want to get. Carried off, if that's somewhere you service. Upholstery, that's a pretty good one to grab right there. 100 volume, 0 KD, very easy to grab. So we can just keep coming down here, checking the list, and seeing what we want. You'd want to add it as a keyword either saved as an image or in your content organically. Next thing we're going to talk about is the GMB. So go in here. If you don't have one, set one up. It's free to do. Google will send you a postcard. You just got to verify it. And then you want to make sure you set it up 100%. You don't want it to have any percentage. You want to make sure it's completely set up. Google loves it when people play by their rules. And then for content with GMB, it's photos. Photos is the content. You want to have as many photos as you can. Go to your competitor, see how many photos they have, and add more than they do. And don't just match them out. Blow them out of the water. Add a whole bunch of them. Then citations is the next thing. This guy's got 30 citations. Citations are. It's a little different in the UK. I don't have a UK client yet, but it should be pretty much the same as the US. I've just been told it's a little different. I'm not sure what the difference is yet. I'd have to go figure it out. But basically, you want to make sure that your name on the GMB is the same as the citation, the directory you're going into, as well as the phone number and the location. Hey, if you notice, Facebook, YouTube, Yelp, Yell, all kinds of. There's tons of them out there. A lot of them are free. There's thousands of them. Some cost money, but you can grab the free ones. You can grab 60, 70, 100, as many as you want. It's time consuming, takes time, but it's not too hard to do. It's something you can do. But yeah, hopefully that helps. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you want, we can set up a video call or Facebook call and talk more. Otherwise, I hope you have a good rest of your day, and thanks for watching.